bonus on Riches Drop. Put in 5. First spin bonus. Let's get it. Never had a bonus on this, so we'll see. Oh, nice re-trigger. Like it. So let's keep it going. Very nice. I'll take that. Come on. Oh, nice. Not winning much, but hey, it's a pretty fun game. Got 9 more games to go. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Oh man, that didn't even match. That would have been nice though. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Pay something good. Oh, there went all the bonuses. 4 more free games. See if he does anything cool. There you go. There you go. I'll take that. Gonna give me 2 more? That'd be crazy. Give me a 5 trigger bonus. Oh, nice. It gave it to me again. That's crazy. Oh my. Never seen that before. Come on, give me a wall fractor. Nice, a re-trigger again. Hell yeah. I'll keep taking them. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Give me a wild fractor. I don't know, some panda game I'm playing.
How many games did it give you?
I don't know, it's been re-triggering, so I don't know. Oh. There, another re-trigger. Give me the panda again. Oh. There we go, I'll take that. Come on, give me the panda again. 1 more panda. Come on, give me the panda, give me the panda, give me the panda, panda. Oh. Come on, come on, come on, come on. He hasn't came out anymore.
How do you get that through the top?
Yeah, I don't know. I think you get the little pot up there. I'm not sure. There we go. That's the panda I was talking about. Come on, give me a full screen of those pandas. There we go, there we go. Keep going. More pandas, more pandas. Hell yeah, that's a good one. 960. Hell yeah.
Oh.
I'll take that. See how the 88 comes out and it gives you that? One more. Panda. Panda, 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 panda. Oh, I want the panda dude to come out. There we go. 3 more free games. Hell yeah. Keep re-triggering, baby. Keep giving me some more. Come on, come on. Come on, baby. Keep going. Keep going. Don't stop. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Give me some more, give me some more, come on. Panda, panda, panda. Panda, 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 panda. 5 more games. Got 5 more games to go, guys. Come on, give me a wall fracture. More pandas. There we go. More pandas, more pandas. There we go. $10. Hell yeah.
Open, Mom.
Babe, stand on this side of me, please. This side I don't care about. This side is the side that they can see it shit. It's almost over. Unless I happen to re-trigger real crazy.
Well, you got her date for it.
Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Give me 3. 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 Come on, come on, come on. 2 more. Another bonus. Hey, $1.20. I'll take it. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on. One more, one more. Re-trigger, re-trigger, re-trigger. Got 1 more free game, not too bad. I'm not complaining at all. This was fun. Alright guys, that was it. That was an amazing bonus on Riches Drop Panda Firecracker. Slot bot AZ.